Member sets allow you to create sets of members to use to send out mailings to groups from your member base. This requires the use of the Banner Mailer newsletter system. Please speak to your administrator if you would like more information on how it works. To add a dynamic member set, which will allow you to create a list of current members which updates as new members sign up depending on your filtering, click on Member Sets under BannerRoster in the top navigation. Click on Add Dynamic Member Set. Give the member set a name. Click on Add Fields. Choose which fields you would like to add. Click Add Fields. Specify the value for each field you selected. For example, if you chose city, type in what city you want to associate with the member set. This will add all the members with the city Las Vegas in their profile to the member set. Click Continue. Click Preview Members if you want to see which members are now associated with this member set, and click Save. Manage Dynamic Member Sets allows you to modify the dynamic member sets. To modify member sets, click on Member Sets under BannerRoster from the top navigation and click on Member Sets. Click on Manage Dynamic Member Sets. Click on Manage next to the dynamic member set you wish to edit. Edit the fields as needed and click Continue. Click Save to continue. To delete a member set, click on Member Sets under BannerRoster in the top navigation. Click on Manage Dynamic Member Sets. Click on Delete next to the member set you wish to delete. Click on Delete to confirm. To clone member sets, click on Member Sets under the BannerRoster dropdown. Click on Manage Dynamic Member Sets. Click on Clone next to the member set. Give the member set a name. Click Save. To view your cloned member set, click on View Cloned Member Set. To export members of a member set, click on Member Sets under BannerRoster. Click on Manage Dynamic Member Sets. Click on Export Members. Select the fields you would like to export. Click on Export CSV. To view members of a member set, click on Member Sets under BannerRoster in the top navigation. Click on Manage Dynamic Member Sets. Click on View Members. Click on the number under ID to view or the X under Remove to remove. To export the list, click on Export Members.